Alright, so robot vacuums are all the rage these days. They clean up after us and even mop our floors, but there are times when they are not the best solution, especially if you need to clean stuff like fabrics, upholstery, and such. This is where the UWANT B200 comes in. It's a spot cleaning vacuum that makes your robot vacuum look like a child's plaything. But with that said, how does it fare in actual use? Let's take a look. Now, unboxing the B200, you are greeted by the cleaner itself, alongside some paperwork like your warranties and manuals, as well as additional attachments for the B200. In terms of looks, it comes with a rather large build, which is understandable given the wealth of features that come with it. It's easy to move around though, thanks to a rotatable wheel that can go in any direction. This is aided by two other wheels that makes it easy to move the cleaner around. Additionally, its power cable measures 3.5 meters, so it's perfectly mobile in most indoor situations. The brushes on the cleaner are designed with an antibacterial material that helps against odor, a common problem with most vacuum cleaners. They're also well designed, which should be ideal for getting dirt and debris, which can sometimes be left uncleaned by other vacuum cleaners. It also comes with two large water tanks, which separate the water used for cleaning and dirty water, and an additional 200 milliliter solution tank for soap and detergent. Now, unlike a lot of other spot cleaners, the B200 comes with 12,000 PA of suction power, which did allow me to thoroughly clean dirt and spots which otherwise wouldn't be as easy to clean with a different machine. The B200 shoots water at a high pressure at up to 2.3 inches into a surface, which lets it break down stains thanks to its powerful stream. There are three cleaning solutions that are available for use with the B200, which include deep cleaning, mite control, and textiles. The B200 comes with a 4-in-1 cleaning process, which makes use of a high-pressure water stream that slowly breaks down stains, followed by powerful brushing action that removes the stains, draining the water, and using suction to dry the remaining moisture. The process makes it ideal for cleaning frustrating dirt and stains which are heavily embedded into most fabrics, which otherwise wouldn't be removable with scrubbing and wiping. With that said, the B200 works on a lot of different fabrics and textures, so sofas, cushions, carpets, clothes and mattresses will be no problem for the cleaner. Now, I really like this function because accidental spills are a lot easier to deal with, and it spares you the frustration of trying to get out stains with a wet rag or towel, which isn't always the most effective way to go about doing this. Also, the fact that the B200 can also instantly dry up surfaces makes it a much better method of rescuing your carpets and other fabric from spills and stains, as you won't have to wait a long time for the particular spot to dry up. Personally, we've used the cleaner at home to get rid of some annoying stains on some of our rugs and couches, saving us time and effort which would have been spent with less efficient cleaning methods and trips to the dry cleaners as well. The B200 comes with a handful of cleaning modes, such as a standard cleaning mode, a cleaning solution mode, ironing mode, and steam mode. The standard mode does work best for stains which aren't too tough, although if you need some more firepower, you can opt to use the cleaning solution mode, which will let you use detergent from the solution tank to melt away tough dirt and stains from surfaces. The B200 also comes with a high temperature steamer, which allows you to use steam mode. Steam mode will let you clean surfaces with up to 212 Fahrenheit temperature, killing germs and making sure that your spots are removed and surfaces are kept clean. This also makes it ideal for disinfecting and sterilizing textiles, beddings, and such. Now, despite the high temperature, you won't really have to worry about your fabrics getting damaged from the heat because it is of course controlled and it is specially designed to clean surfaces without damaging them. Aside from cleaning surfaces, the B200 can also be used to steam garments with ironing mode. With this one though, you will need to attach the ironing head to use the feature, although this means that you'll no longer need to iron your clothes, which does reduce the time spent doing such. Another killer feature that you get with the B200 is a self-cleaning mode, which will let it clean the hose and spray head without the need for manual cleaning. This is a very handy feature that cuts down on time spent cleaning it by hand. Now, the UWANT B200 comes at a decidedly mid-range price of $339, although it is available for a lower price than Indiegogo, which brings it down to just $259 for a limited time. The different cleaning modes, as well as the built-in 4-in-1 cleaning process, means that you're getting a lot of value with the B200. The combination of high temperature cleaning and disinfecting, as well as options for water-based solution cleaning, certainly make it an attractive appliance to have in one's home. If you're looking for a reliable and a feature-packed spot cleaner that's compatible with different surfaces and materials and comes with some nice additions like a self-cleaning feature and a practical and functional design, then the UWANT B200 is definitely worth getting. Now guys, if you are interested in more reviews like this, we do have a ton of them here on Phandroid and our official website, so make sure you visit that as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.